everyone. Welcome to Simply Grace Lifestyle. So sometimes I have a tendency on overlooking Walmart and Big Lots. So here I am at Big Lots today, and we're gonna walk around and take a quick look to see what they have. Come on with me, guys. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you who've been with me for a while, even from the very beginning, I so thank you from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. So, my goodness, they have swiped so many things off the shelf here. That's why they're looking so empty. But look at how beautiful their decor is. This is their little glam section here, and I am loving this wreath. Look at it, it's so glam. I absolutely love it. So I hope you enjoyed the shopping trip as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one.